Hey guys, what's up? Just a short update video. Obviously I'm still waiting for the M3 GTR to get back, and obviously a lot of you want to know what's actually next. So basically today's Thursday. The car's probably gonna arrive on Saturday, Sunday, Monday time this weekend. Hopefully. I've just been spending my time playing Red Dead Redemption literally all week. Just another short update for the people that were aware of like the prize situation or whatever with PassMag. They are talking to all their sponsors right now because the prizes are suited for your car, like they're parts for your car. I don't know exactly what they are, but I'll literally tell you when I find out myself. So I will be getting like awards from all the sponsors and stuff like that still and everything. But I just posted on Instagram saying got a lot of negative feedback that I'm not gonna stray towards the one of one replica path with the car anymore. I'm gonna just I personally just want creative freedom with the car and everything like that. And I know that's weird to describe, and apparently a lot of people freaked out and a lot of negative feedback, but I mean also a lot of positive feedback. But basically, the whole thing I'm trying to say is that I just want creative freedom, and everything gets old after a while. Obviously, this does not mean that I'm going to start sanding down the car and tearing it apart the second it gets back. No, that's not happening. If I am going to change the color, it's not going to happen until maybe like summer of next year, so still another half year or so, because it's just stupid to tear it all apart and repaint it and do all that work after I just put in all that work. But basically, I just am going to start straying away from the one-of-one replica path and just start doing my own touches with my own types of aero, my own wheels, my own suspension setups, just stuff that isn't exact to the real car, but just stuff that gives me creative freedom. I've had multiple cars before that I've had creative freedom on, and it's like the best thing. And the shitty thing about a replica build is that you kind of have to stay within the lines of doing what the car was, obviously. And I know a lot of people of you are like crazy dedicated to having a one-of-one replica, or maybe a small fraction of you. A lot of people just like seeing the content and stuff. But basically that's just what I wanted to say, is that after going to SEMA, I got a lot of inspiration from the true like used race cars and time attack cars and stuff, and I want to style my car heavily after that. The paint isn't going to change or anything, trust me, for, like I said, for a very long time, so don't worry about that in the near future. I'm not going to tear it apart, that's stupid. But hopefully you guys take this a little bit more positively than Instagram and Facebook did, because apparently they all think that I'm going to tear it apart now and everything like that. But obviously it's my car in the end. I'm still super grateful for all you guys getting me to SEMA and winning us this thing. But I just want to do kind of what I want to do with the car. I know that sounds very blunt, but obviously when it gets back, expect a lot of driving videos. Dan has a GoPro and we're going to hook it up to the wing and inside the cabin and stuff, and do a lot of like toge runs and stuff in the hills with the car, because a lot of you guys said you want more like, not first person, but like just driving videos. And I do want to drive the car. That's kind of when I really love the car the most, is when I'm driving it. So, to keep it short, that's kind of the plans for the car. I'm not sure exactly what next is going to happen. Like when it gets back, I don't know. I just want to fix that side skirt fitment stuff with the rear arch and the front thing and everything. That's really what I would just want to mold together and repaint and reattach. But then after that, I really don't know what's going to happen, but that's just kind of where my mind's at, I just want to go off of the whole one-of-one replica thing and just do my own thing at this point, if that makes sense. Hopefully a lot of you will still be supportive and have trust in me and whatnot, and I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching and everything, and hopefully you'll see a video from me in the next week when my car gets back and everything. Not sure when that is once again, so I'm not sure when the next video will be. But I will probably live stream or something before then anyway. But either way, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me as always. And hopefully this isn't too bad of news for you guys.